Preparing to test run the rescue boat. Titestingin namin to na rescue boat. Titestingin natin to na rescue boat. Okay.
Why they want to do that? Two-person report. They're engineer. When they're inside, we swing out a bit, clear out the ship side with guys holding the taglines. When the lines for enough, and then we lower the boat, pushing the brake. So hoist up, we hoist up, pushing the.
Okay, careful, huh? Twist. Twist.
Eti go pass, asi go behind.
Okay, swing.
I have now. Okay,
Careful your legs, Bosin. Hold these ropes. These ropes.
Wait. Mapla bring now go hold him line.
Hey, stay here on the other side. Yeah.
I'm swinging maybe go.
Swing slowly. Okay. Swing out.
Time look sim come to iba tingin ba. Asi come pass. Eti come here.
Take video of this guy.
No.
That is Bosin holding, controlling the astern.
Swing out na.
Swinging out. Yeah, it's like a little bit, Bosin.
Fully front.
Okay. Up.
Swing out pass.
Swing out more.
Ego. Okay, now full.
Okay, now full forward. Okay.
Okay.
Can lower now.
Wait.
Bosin, made pa something in the railings. Because maybe we'll go. Yeah, put in the railing somewhere. Yeah, dyan, there. Yeah. Yeah. Slack slowly. More swing out.
Okay. Alright, break. Mas pulang dikit na. Masih jauh.
Okay, hold bosun. They will board the rescue boat. Okay, LeBron James on board. Then when in the water you release the painter, huh? That one.
It's not.
No, this one. You pull that one. Yeah, don't pull.
Wait. Where is that control?
Keep the testing.
Okay, wait.
Okay, wait.
No,
This
wait.
time don't go down. Swing out dulu first.
Swing him out now.
Swing out ni clear off the side now.
Swing out more.
Okay.
Okay. Tayo pull this lah.
Don't keep more talking.
Saya ambil break. As.
Okay.
No saan pula. No saan pukul ni. Sudah rope. Sudah nak sih.
Wait. Don't keep more talking. Okay, we can keep ready go inside.
Up kita on the legs again.
Kita sampai body na.
Okay, just stand by to go down.
Kita light niya.
Like the olive line.
Lain buat orang yang macam atas dia.
Other side of the oars because it will damage. Islak bosen. Okay, start. Remove the painter off after starting because if not start is big problem. Yeah, pump. Need pump. Yeah, it's working now. Okay, release the painter. LeBron. Yeah, don't hold that one. Remove your hand.
Hook fast. Open the line, hook fast. Down and you move. Now you hook down. Down.
Remove the pin. Other side. Yeah.
Put down, come down.
Okay. Painter off. Remove also. Painter off.
Oi, Emma. Ha? Jokan. Ano rin eh?
How about in coming up? It's very hard. Cannot remove, huh? Okay, go around the ship.
Waterfront.
Don't go to waterfront. Only around the ship.
Yeah, your video you send it to us, everyone.
Oi.
Good video.
Okay, maneuver.
Speed.
Go to berth number 4 or 5. Okay, full speed. Full speed.
Patrick.
Go.
Speed.
Speed. Pull.
Finishing machine.
Full.
Skin dong ang kangras.
Full more speed.
Oi. Finish him. What are you doing? You can.
Around the ship.
Ben slow ahead na, Ben go up ahead.
Okay, that is the rescue boat of Fly Alliance going around the ship.
Hey, get in there. Come on.
And then we'll pass the order, say we finish.
Full speed. Go to waterfront.
Kogi.
Go around. It's coming back. I will share you. Now approaching the debits. Approaching the hook.
Emma, zero percent.
Pick up the pinter line. Yeah, pick up the hook. Hook up. Okay. Possible lower. Yeah, you should hold the hook. Pick up the you can stop third the engine and pull the hook. Pull the hook. Stop the engine. Yeah. Stop. Pull your string. Yeah, it's okay, third. Help, no need to switch to start again. Yeah, you pull. Pull. Help, third. Yeah, lower. Full. Did you lift up more? Stop the engine and help. Yeah, it's moving. Okay. Because it's drifting. Yeah, now. Yeah, you hip up. Pull. Help third. It will not hook if only one person.
Vamos.
Pulinos, pulinos.
Okay, lock. Lock, yep.
Okay.
Try if he is engaged.
Keep in there, put it on.
Okay. Stop the engine.